Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a set of timers. We have a total of 8, but I can only show 6 on the video. And they're wireless timers. They're for a factory. They're a recycling of lead acid batteries. And each timer represents one part of the procedure of the recycling process. And they all are set to specific times by the customer. And those times are set by these down here on the lower bottom part, BCD rotary set switches. And each switch represents a digit and their minutes and seconds. So you can set it to 99, 59 if you like. They're all countdown timers. Each timer also has a sealed LED ANDON light mounted on it, along with a receiver, a weatherproof receiver, and wireless receiver, and also 110 for your power, 110 volts in with ground. And then also we've added wired functions, wired controls, if they ever want to automate without having to human intervention. And each timer is controlled by a specific button on the remote. The remote is RF wireless also, 300 feet indoor, 1,500 feet outdoor. And they're totally RF, it's radio frequency. So number 1 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We do have 7 and 8, but you can't see them. Are set to specific times on their procedure. So each button on the remote represents a reset and start function. So once the timer started, the ANDON light will turn red and continue to count down to 0, and once it reaches 0, it'll go to green. So timer 1 is set for 30 seconds, as you can see, and then timer 2, let's say they have that process, is set for 1 minute. Timer 3 set for 1 minute or 50 some seconds. Set and start number 4 is set for 2 minutes. Number 5 was set for 10 seconds, and then number 6 set for 1 minute. And when they get down to 0, as you can see in that one here, it's turned green, letting them know it's complete. The process is complete. Same as number 1 here and these other processes. So number 1 can be restarted again and counting down. 6-inch displays, you can be viewed up to 300 feet away, all aluminum extruded enclosure. The LEDs are protruding through the face so you can see them very clearly at a wide angle. The remote controls a 9-volt battery. It's got a belt clip on it. Very easy to carry. The 9-volt battery, we suggest that you replace that once every year. Doesn't have to be pointing at the display or anything like that to control it. There's 2 mounting tabs on the back. They can slide in and out of the channel that's back here. They are teardrop mounts. We call these the DC-60T-DN-BCDs. And as you can see, the BCD switches are on the bottom. This is Jim with DC Digital, and thank you for watching.